Welcome to Word Games. Brain your day today as well. Half of the letters have been deleted from each of the following words. Can you restore them in order to reveal 5 African animals? Stop the video now, try to find the words, and then we are going to see them together. Are you ready? The first one is an animal with a long neck. Giraffe. Next one, mongoose. Next word is gazelle. Word number 4 is baboon. And the last one is lima. Have a lovely day. If you liked this challenge, please subscribe for more.